welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about again Phantom wallet, and in this video we are going to remove multiple wallets from your Phantom wallet. Yes, if you want to remove your multiple wallets and you do not to use in your future time, so you can easily remove. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving to complete information, so must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallace Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So viewers, if you want to get the proper information about Phantom wallets, or you can use Sol ecosystem, so you just simple visit my YouTube channel and click on a video portion, and you can see here I have uploaded almost 6 videos about Phantom wallet, where you can find the how can you create the Phantom wallet, how to extract your private key, how to import your private key, how to recover your Phantom wallets. All information available on my this YouTube channel. So simple visit and must watch all videos. So now let's start our video. First I need to log in my account. So you can see here the right top corner Phantom wallet I have installed already. I just simple click on it, and after that I need to enter the password. When you are going to create account, so you must apply a strong password in your wallet. I think some password miss, so I think change my password in my last video, so that I'm going to enter the correct password here. Click on unlock. Now the wallet is open front of me. You can see here the wallet open front of me, and this time I have not any balance in this wallet. And you can also see here I have using this time account number 5, so means I have created multiple accounts on this my wallet. So if I don't need to use in a future, so I need to remove all account from the my this wallet. So how can I do? Simple is that you just simple left side top corner, click on it, and after that you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 account is I have created on this wallet in a one wallet. So going to click on setting option, you can see here when you're going to click on setting option, the first option is available here, manage account. So going to click on manage account, and after that you can see here I have create 1 2 3 4 5 account, and the last one account is I have imported with the private key. If you have not watched that video, so you can watch my last video. This is my last video, how can we import a private key. So let's up I do not to use all account except my first account, so I want to remove. So how can I do? Simple is that, but keep in your mind when you are going to remove your any wallet, you must get the private key and also save the phrases. So this is necessary for you. Sometimes you need to again import your wallet, so you must have the all information. That's why I need to remove 4 account from my wallet. Simple click on this bar. You can see the account name, account address available here, the 4 addresses available here. Show the phrases. First you need to take the backup. I'm going to enter my password here, which is I have apply, and I simple click on I will not share my secret phrase with the anyone including Phantom. Next. Now you can see here all phrases shown here. You must take the backup of your all phrases before going to remove any wallet, because this is necessary for you. Sometimes you need to import your account, so you must have your necessary information. Okay, and also you can see here do not share your secret phrases. If someone has your secret phrases, they will have full control of your wallet. Okay, going to click on back. Let's suppose I have done my all phrases or take the backup. And second option, I have also used show the secret or private key. Going to again enter my password here. Now click on I will not share my private key with anyone. Click on next button, and you can see here my 4 wallet I have this time by default created. So all wallet have this time private key. Let's suppose you want to get the private key of Ethereum. Simple click on it, and after that your private key will be shown front of you. Simple copy, open the notepad file, write down, or you can also write in your personal diary, and you can also print out your all phrases, all private key of your wallet. Okay, when you complete all information or write down or done, then you can easily remove your wallet. Okay, the last option available here, the remove account. Okay, I have done the information before going to remove secret preferences, and also show private key. Simple click on remove account. Now remove account number 2. Even though you are removing the wallet from Phantom, you will be able to redrape it using your mnemonic in the or other wallet. So I already told you, you must save your phrases. Okay, click on remove. Now I'm going to check how much wallet will be remaining. Click on setting or manage wallet. You can see here one wallet remove. You can use same scenario, remove account, remove. Now you can see here the wallet is available 1, 4 and 5 number. So I'm going to remove one more account, manage and remove. All wallet I'm going to removed from my Phantom wallet. You can see here just one account is remaining. Sorry, two account. The first account is by default we have created, and the second account is we have import with the private key. So you can see here viewers, I have removed successfully all account from my Phantom wallet. You can also use same scenario which is I told you in this video, but again keep in your mind, before going to remove any wallet you must take the backup of mnemonic phrases, and you also must take the private key, so otherwise you can't recover it. Okay, so I hope viewers you properly understand. If you get any information about this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. And if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo and cryptowalletsinfo at the rate of gmail.com. And you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments. I hope I will resolve your problem. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.